this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. Right, the Bargello, it carries on further down there. It's about 80 inches long by about 50 inches wide, I think. I don't know, I'll have to check on that. But that is definitely the length I want. I want it wider and possibly a bit longer. So in this episode I'm going through how I think about it and how I actually do get it different. There's the top, all the way down and down some more, and then down a bit more and nearly to the floor. 80 inches. Here are some of my workings out, and wrote it down on paper first of all, and it should work out at 78 wide by 90 long, which is quite a size. It's the largest size quilt I've done, but now I've got this new sewing machine with a big throat, I should be able to do it. I put this down and put in bits of material where to go along with the plan I did, to see what it looks like, and it looks alright. The white does look a lot plainer than I thought it'd be, but I intend on all the white, that the two strips that go either side, and this white in the middle, I intend to free motion quilt a feather along it, a nice big plump feather, so that will make it look less flat, because it'll have a nice big feather on it. And put black with the orange to tie it in with this. But another reason of putting big white sides to it is because this is a dark quilt. It's got a couple of blacks, so it has got a lot of dark, really dark colours in it, and I don't want a really dark quilt, so I need the white strips in it. Could always put cream. No, I think I'll have white. And I've got to piece the backing anyway, so I might piece a little Bargello or something in it. But these are the things I'm doing now. Is basically I'm going to put a strip piece on both sides. They're 2.5 inches. I'll cut them at 2.5 inches, and then I'll put white on both sides, and then I'll see how it looks from there, and I'll show you as well. It's now got too big for my sewing area, so I've come in here and put it on the bed, and it's 86 inches length and 66 inches wide so far, because I would like the sides a little bit wider and go to a bit longer as well. So still thinking time. I showed you when it was on the bed because there was more room to actually show it fully, but this is the white strip at the side. I have more or less done exactly what I thought of, but instead of just putting an orange band down, I put squares of it in so they actually will match the Bargello in the middle. And if I go back, you can see that they do. Can't see much of it because it's getting a bit big. But, got to put one on the other side now. And I don't know whether I'll be doing it in this episode or I'll do another one or whatever. This is Bargello start to finish. Definitely. I'm going to show it all. I have put side borders on and only a thin top white one followed by exactly the same border, and now I think it's 80 inches wide by about 90 odd 96 or 98, something like that. I've got it folded there in half and then in half again because I can't get any more, and obviously I can't show it all. I did put it on the bed the other day so that you could see what I've done so far, but you miss quite a bit because this sides go down the side of the bed, so I thought I'll put it in, fold it in half and then half again so you can see now. And then when I've quilted it up, that's when I'll show you in its entirety. And it's just quite mind-blowing to me that this time a week ago, last Tuesday, I came up here, my sewing area. What am I going to do? And I decided late afternoon, more or less exactly a week ago, I'm going to do another Bargello. Now I've got this massive, humongous top done and it just needs quilting. But I think I'll leave that for another day. Just figure out something else to do for the rest of the day. But I won't be doing any more because it's dog food day, I think, tomorrow. Well, it's got to be. I've got the meat and everything out for him. So it's making dog food and canning it up.